start off with the weather forecast then. It's getting colder. There'll be some snow as well. Temperatures will be near freezing by the end of the week, so it'll snow. Not exactly rocket science, that is, but it does look as though it's going to be noticed by many of us. Not everybody's going to get the snow. The cold air has already been filtering in from the continent over the last 24 hours, and by the time we get to the middle of the week, in fact, the cold air will be reaching France, so we're really stuck in this cold snap for the whole of the week, and snow, as I say, is expected, especially in eastern Britain. And talking about eastern Britain, already in the southeast today, we've had a little bit of snow. Some of it may even accumulate on the ground as well, especially across the hills. Now, as far as the southwest of the country is concerned, and generally speaking, western Britain here, not really talking about any wintry weather. It's very similar to what it was yesterday. So it's on the cloudy side, it's on the cool side. And it's cool because there's very little in the way of sunshine. In fact, the temperatures aren't desperately low just yet. You'll find that the thermometer will be dropping away as we go through the course of the week. Now, Scotland, the best chance of the sunshine in the Western Isles, whereas eastwards will get the cloud and also the drizzle. And just like yesterday, most of eastern Britain will have bits and pieces of light rain or drizzle. Okay, then, so what's going to happen then as we go into the rush hour? Well, not an awful lot of change overall. It's still cloudy and quite dull and cold. There will be a widespread frost developing, and where we would have seen a few showers and possibly some sleet or snow, we could see some iciness, especially on the country lanes first thing tomorrow morning. Nothing too widespread, but nonetheless, take it steady if you are travelling very, very early. So that's Tuesday morning. How about the morning into the afternoon tomorrow? Well, to be honest, it's going to be marginally better tomorrow in terms of the cloud cover, so there will be less of it. That means more sunshine will poke through. So I think tomorrow, even though the temperatures are going to be very similar, around 4 or 5 degrees, it might feel just that little bit less cold. But the overall theme will be for the cold air to keep filtering in off the continent, so that by Wednesday, it's eastern Britain where we're likely to see the sleet or snow showers, possibly accumulating, for example, the North York Moors, some of them affecting southeast England as well. But more like Thursday, that's when the cold air arrives, and it looks as though, especially the southeast of England, in particular Kent, could see a significant cover of snow towards the end of the week. So you'll just have to stay tuned with the weather forecast because of the details keep changing. So cold spell on the way, and it looks as though it'll last